What's good, YouTube, bruh, man? Kid coming through with another match analysis. So, first of all, the reason yesterday I couldn't send you guys the booking code, I actually did comment the booking code on yesterday's YouTube video, but YouTube took it out and they gave me a strike. So, I had to appeal to YouTube and they took long only to find out today in the morning that they actually removed the strike, and maybe today they're gonna allow me to post the booking code. So, second thing, nation, I get a lot of questions about the VIP group. Let me take 20 seconds just to explain what happens in the VIP group. So we have two sections in the VIP group: what we do from Monday to Friday and Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday, like days like Saturday and Sunday, are what we use to build capital for the three odds strategy on Monday to Friday. So like today I'm gonna be in the VIP group, I'm gonna be looking for 30 plus odds, and Sunday 30 plus odds, then 10 plus odds, 10 plus odds, 3 plus odds, 3 odds, 3 odds. So that's 3 tickets on Saturday and Sunday. Then Monday, maybe we win 800 this weekend. Monday, then we're able to use that 800 and take 200 of that 800 times 3 odds, which is 600, using proper risk management. We bet 200 every time until our account grows to maybe 3,000, 4,000, where we can improve and bet 500 rand. So if we stake 500 rand in every 3 odds the following week, then we're able to grow and start making 1,500 per day. So if you want to join the VIP group, my number in the description, bro. We Leeds, it is a paid group, we're gonna make profit. So without wasting any more of your time, nation, bro, let's see. Okay, we have Everton versus Aston Villa. So today, nation, bro, I'm gonna try my best to give you guys the best 10 odds. So I'm focused, nation. Watch up until the end. I might have like silent moments when I think, cause I'm trying to make you guys win this weekend. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying my best, trying to make you guys win this weekend. I don't want your boys saying that I take care of the VIP more than you. So man, bro, I'm trying to get my boys to win. Remember to smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Okay, so can we check the bookings, nation, bro? And today, if I don't see that a team is worth betting, bro, we just wanna move on, bro. I don't want your boys losing, man. I really don't want my boys losing, man. We just wanna move on. There's many teams. That's why I like the weekend. There's many teams playing today. Okay, bookings under 4.5. Hopefully we come through with the W today, nation, bro. I wanna take care of the boys, man. Want you guys saying I'm acting bougie or something, but I'ma take care of you guys like how I take care of the VIP group, especially on these weekends, so your boys can make a profit. And ladies, it's January, bruh. I understand, man. Everybody looking for their hustle, they're looking for their grind, bruh. Welcome to the nation, man. We're the latest nation on the tube. Brentford over Hampton under 4.5. Oh. Okay. Let me quickly confirm. Okay. Okay, nation. Up next is Leeds United versus Newcastle. I actually thought like the previous game where Leicester City played with what's the team, Tottenham. I thought Tottenham was gonna lose, but I no cap. I thought Tottenham was gonna lose, but Tottenham played hard, They played hard. I've gotta give it to them, They defended their dignity, I respect that. And Leicester City, man, Leicester City is coming, bruh. Like, people, Leicester City is troublesome. I would go with Leeds United or draw over 1,5. Let's see their previous game one time. Let's go with Leeds or draw. Reason is nation, if we go down here, as you can see, we have many draws. Newcastle haven't won in a while against Leeds United. So I'm checking now, bro. We come here, we see Leeds United draw. Hmm. Let's check the game the last time they won. Let me see. I don't want to waste too much of your time, nation, bro. Okay, let me increase my speed. So as you can see, when they won, Newcastle was still playing very well. The United versus the Ham. I think we all know what's gonna happen here, bro. I think we all know what's gonna happen here, bro. We all know what's gonna happen here. Let's see. Let's see one time for the gang. But I know we all know what's gonna happen here. United or Ham. United or Ham over one. United or Ham. I was thinking draw West Ham over one. Or is it gonna be under 4? Let me check one time, Nishi. Let me take one time. Check one time. So we have 1-0, 2-1, 1-0. Okay, let's go with under 4. We'll go with under 4. We'll go with under 4. Because remember, we're betting based on the analysis, not on based on our emotions. We bet based on the analysis, nation, bro. Okay, so one more team should get us to our 10 odds. Manchester City. Manchester City was good. City, bro, was good. City was good, bro. Okay, so let's scroll down. City first, bruh. City first, leading with 9 points. Okay, so I would go with City. I think for City, bro, we're just gonna go with bookings. You know what I'm saying? Because I could see Man City over 2.5, then they win 1-0 again. So let's just go for bookings, bro, man. Hopefully we get enough bookings, nation, bro. City play too much games under 3.5 bookings. They don't play rough. That's what I love about Man City. So you can actually bet bookings and still feel safe under 3.5. They don't play rough, so hopefully they don't play rough today. And that's 10.75 nation, man. 5 teams, 10.75 odds. Make sure if you wanna join the VIP group, as soon as you watch this video, hurry up and hit me up, bruh, before I take out the 30 odds tickets. So without further ado, we gone, nation, bruh. We gone.